Hi students, welcome to VS Virtual Classes. So today we are going to discuss some more problems in the circles part 3. So part 3 is been continued for this day. So let us have a brief problem on the screen. Now here is a problem. A circular park of radius 20 meter, means m 20 meters, is situated in a colony where three boys Ankur, Saeed and David are sitting at equal distance on its boundary, each having a telephone in his hand to talk each other. Now we need to find the length of a string of each phone. So normally these characters like Ankur, Saeed and David are using a toy telephone. As you know, toy telephone consists of a mic, or here's a speaker, what you call it is, and it will be made up of string, which is made up of a string. And now these three peoples or three kids are playing with those toy telephone. This is the proper scenario regarding this problem. And now they are sitting in a circular park actually. So park which has a radius of 20 So I made a simplification of this particular problem, which represent like this. Okay, so color which can be seen on the screen is a ground where three kids are being located at some different points on the same playground, which is in circular in shape. So here, where this is a center of a circle, so from this center of circle all the three kids are being situated at 20 meter, where we call it as a radius, so 20 meter. Now they are representing an equilateral triangle according to their location. So this is an equilateral triangle where I have named it as ASD with respect to their names. A for Ankur, S Sayed and D David. So this represent an equilateral triangle. So and where OA is the radius for Ankur with respect to O. Okay, so the radius, as you have seen in the previous classes, the radius will be similar to all the directions. It will have a same distance. Okay, so now we have in the solution part. So I think you have got my point, my dear students. So this is an equilateral triangle where three kids are being situated or located on the same playground. So the representation of this location will be an equilateral triangle. Okay, so now what I'll do is, so in the solution part, so what is the given data here? AS is equal to SD. Okay, AS is equal to SD, AS is equal to SD. Okay, so now, and similarly it should be equal to DA also. So AS and DA are same in the nature, in the same equilateral triangle. Now triangle ASD is an equilateral triangle, as you have seen in the previous figure. And here OA is the radius of the same circle. Therefore now OA will be 20 meter in distance. Okay, now this is a representation and with respect to given data. And now what we do is, we have a medians of equilateral triangle which passes through a circumcenter O of an equilateral triangle AST. So medians, so what is median actually? So this is the median, my dear friends, where the center of the triangle represents a median. Okay, so the intersecting medians each other are in ratio 2:1 here. Okay, so 2:1, where what is 2:1? It means where here in the line I have drawn here, so A and B is a line segment where this point is a center and one point will be one part of this line will be more compared to the other part. Okay, so it is 2 times more larger than OB. OA is 2 times larger than OB, so we call it as 2:1 ratio. So 2 and this is part 1 ratio. Okay, so median of AB of equilateral triangle has AB as a median of this triangle. So now what we have equation is, since OA divided by B, right, OA by B is equal to 2/1, where OA is 2 and OB is 1. So with respect to ratios, we rewrite this form into a fractional form, that is, okay, that is OA is 2 and OB is 1. OA divided by OB is equal to 2/1, right? So now what I do is, since OA is 20 meter, already it's given in the problem, since OA is 20 meters, okay, so where OA is 20 meters, so I put this 20 meters with respect to OA, and I'll substitute this 20 meters as OA, the value of OA. Now OA is equal to 20 meter upon OB is not given in the sense in this problem, so I'll keep OB as it is. So 20 meter divided by OB is equal to 2/1, right? So now what I have a certain value for OB. Now I'll go for calculating the value for OB. Since OB is equal to now 20 upon 2, okay, 20 upon 2 meters. So meter is not been written here, so please understand 20/2 meters actually. So what will be the answer for OB? So 2 ones are and 2 tens are, so OB will be having the value of 10 meters. Okay, see, OB is equal to 20/2, since 2 ones are 2 tens are. So OB, I got a value of OB is as 10 meters. Okay, nice. Now in triangle ABD, what I have is, therefore AB is equal to OA plus OB is equal to 20 plus 10. Since OA I got a 20 and OB I have the value, since I have calculated in the earlier slide, as you have seen in earlier slide, OA is equal to 20 plus 10, because AB should be the mixture of OA and OB. So AB is combination of OA and OB. Since AB is combination of OA and OB, I repeat once again, therefore I put the value of OA 20 plus and OB 10, which is equal to 30 meters. So in this particular triangle ABD, the total equilateral triangle, I have a side which is not given here. I need to calculate for that side actually. Now I'll go for the formula, the help of Pythagoras formula. I'll calculate this AD, what it is. So AD, as per Pythagoras theorem, we have AB square plus BT square is equal to AD square, where AD is equal to, I'll substitute the values of AB square. So AB square is 30. So 30, AB is 30, since AB square will be 30 square, plus AD upon 2, where BD square is equal to AD upon 2. So I substitute this BD is equal to AD upon 2 whole square. Okay, why BD upon 2? Tell me friends, why BD? So BD is the half of this triangle. Okay, so I'll be rewriting this BD as AD upon 2. Okay, so now I get AD square is equal to 30 square, 900 plus 1 upon 4 AD square. So how do I get 1 upon by 4 AD square? In the sense, I'll go for calculating the this one. So AD, 2, when it is multiplied 2 times divided by 2, so AD into AD, right? What I'll get? So cancel, so I'll put this value as 1 upon 4 AD square. Okay, so here 1 is being taken out as a common, so 1 upon 4 AD square. So already I'll get an answer AD square upon 4. So for the simplification purpose, I have written this as 1 upon 4 upon AD square, 1 upon 4 into AD square. Now I will calculate the answer for AD square. What I do is I will shift this LHS. So where it is, when it is shifted from RHS to LHS, right, left hand side, I'll get the opposite version of the sign, where plus is being replaced with minus, and 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 AD square plus the AD square would be in its same position. AD square 1 upon 4 AD square plus AD square is equal to 900. Okay, so the next one I'll get, so now minus AD square upon 4 plus AD square upon 1, okay, is equal to 900. Now minus AD square plus 4 AD square upon 4, this is from the LCM. Okay, I'll go for calculating LCM of this AD, minus AD square upon 4 plus AD square upon 1. So I got minus AD square plus 4 AD square upon 4, which is equal to 900. Now after simplification, what I have is, so plus 4 AD square minus AD square is equal to 3 AD square, where the higher sign is for plus 4 AD square and the smaller sign is for 1 AD square. So keeping the point as plus signs, plus will be continued from the answer. So I got an answer. So subtraction and keeping the sign of the higher digit. So that rule is applicable for here. So I got 3 by 4 AD square equals to 900. Now moving forward, AD square is equal to 900 upon this one. 3 by 4 has been shifted to denominator. When I need to calculate this AD square, so I'll be shifting this, the reciprocal, what we call. So I'll be shifting this 3 by 4 into denominator part. So 900 divided by 3 by 4 is equal to 900 into the 4 will be multiplied with 900 divided by 3. So AD square is equal to 3600 divided by 3, where I will cancel, or I will multiply the 3600 with 3 table. So 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 zeros are 3 zeros are. So AD square is equal to 1200. Now the part of the problem solving will be has been over, not yet over, it has been covered 99%. So I'll make the simplification of this to 1200 as a root of, okay, so AD root of 20 root of 3. So AD is equal to 20 root of 3. Therefore the length of the string of each phone will be 20 multiplied by root 3 meters. So after calculating this 20 into root 3, I'll get an answer approximately around 34.64101615 meters. So this is a example what I have solved, friends. You can make a note of it. So in the next class we'll see some more beautiful problems. Thank you.